Hey guys, it's Alex. I'm really excited to be sharing another video for you today. So what I'm going to be talking about today is our kitchen renovation. We just did a small facelift in our kitchen and it's really made a huge difference. When Shane and I purchased this house, we knew there were a few elements to it that were a little bit dated, but it was nothing that we couldn't tackle. The bones of the structure itself were really sturdy, so we knew that all it really needed was a little cosmetic facelift, and so that's what we've been trying to do through all this social distancing and self-isolation. Since we've been home, we decided that slowly but surely we'll start tackling some of these small home projects. So what I've done for this video is actually split it up into two parts. The first part of this video, I will be talking about how we whitewashed our travertine backsplash. And then part two of this video, I will be talking about how we painted over our wood oak cabinets.
The supplies I used were leftover Benjamin Moore wall paint in Swiss coffee, drywall putty and sandpaper, sponge brushes, painting tape, and a bowl to mix the wash. The first step is to fill in any large holes in the tile with drywall putty. If the holes are left unfilled, they do continue to look orange, while the rest of the tile gets the whitewashed look. After the putty has dried, the next step is to sand off the excess putty residue and create a flush finish to the filled in areas. The next step is to clean and tape the desired whitewashed areas. Next, we will use our bowl to create our whitewash mixture. I used about half a cup of leftover wall paint to 1 tablespoon of water. Using my sponge brushes, I used one as the main brush inside the bowl to slightly dab the mixture onto another brush. From there, I introduced a dry brush, using the damp brush to fill in the grout lines and going over it with the dry brush to soften the lines. Using the same brushes, I continued this technique along the border of where I was whitewashing. Next, I dampened the rest of the brush to begin the whitewashing process. Similar to before, I continued to use a dry brush to soften and spread the paint over the tiles.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you a little bit of insight into how I completed my DIY projects, and I hope it gives you the confidence and the tools you need to start tackling your own DIY renos. If you have any questions, please comment on this video or feel free to email me hello@alexandriaparis.ca. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my page, and follow me on Instagram @AlexandriaParis_, and I will be featuring this on my blog as well. So if you want more of a step-by-step reading tutorial about how to complete this reno, you can check it out there on my website, alexandriaparis.ca. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.